How to fix Discord keep connection issues on mobile. If any day you are facing the problem here in Discord on the connection issues on the Discord on your very mobile device, then do not worry, as we have got the best and the easiest solution for this. For this, first of all, in the search section, you need to search Discord out there. After you find Discord, you need to tap on Discord for a while. After you tap on Discord for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the notifications and tap on notifications. You need to enable all the notification by going on allow notification, and you also need to allow the sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of the permissions and tap on permissions. You need to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, to the microphone, to the music and audio, and to the nearby devices, to the notification, and to the photos and videos as well. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is our storage option, and tap on storage option. After you tap on storage option, you need to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to go to the option of the clear down the cache and tap on clear cache. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is app details and store, and tap on app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, your very application will be opened in Google Play Store. Now if there is any update application option out there, you have to update your very application, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.